In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate and interact with items in a CTS virtual environment. The W, S, A, and D letter keys, or directional arrows on your keyboard, control your movement. To move forward, press and hold the W key or the up arrow key. Try walking forward now. Keep going until I say stop. And stop. Now try walking backwards. Press and hold the S key or the down arrow key. Go ahead and give it a try. Keep going until I say stop. Good. Stop. You can use your A and D keys or left and right arrow keys to move side to side. By pressing and holding in the A or left arrow key, you will walk to your left. Walk left until I tell you to stop. Stop. Now press and hold the D or right arrow key to walk right until I tell you to stop. Stop. Now you know the basics of movement. Remember that the W or up arrow key moves you forward, the S or down arrow key moves you backwards, the A or left arrow key moves you to the left, the D or right arrow key moves you to the right. For this next section, I will turn off your ability to move until you are ready to advance. You will now learn to control your line of sight using a mouse. Your task is to look at targets in a numerical order. Use your mouse to look at the target with the number 1 on it. There you go. There are 10 targets around you. Continue to look at each target in numerical order. Perfect. There is another option. Do you want to try it again with the up and down directions of your mouse inverted? You can change these settings anytime by pressing Escape and then choosing Gameplay and checking or unchecking Look Invert. Now that you know how to look around, try moving and looking around at the same time. This next section will let you practice what you have learned so far. Just ahead, there are 5 numbered targets. For this section, use the mouse to look at each target and the W, A, S, and D keys or arrow keys to walk towards it. Start with the target numbered 1 and work your way up to 5. Remember that the W or up arrow key moves you forward, the S or down arrow key moves you backwards, the A or left arrow key lets you step left, the D or right arrow key lets you step right. Good work. Let's move on. There was an electrical surge and a small fire broke out near some supplies. You are the closest person in that area, so you will have to take care of it. Use what you've learned. Check the shelves for a fire extinguisher. Then locate and put out the fire. The fire extinguisher is highlighted, indicating it is something you should use. Walk up to the fire extinguisher and move your mouse until the hand icon is over the extinguisher. Now click the left mouse button to pick it up. Good. Notice that when you picked up the fire extinguisher, the hand icon changed to the fire extinguisher icon. This indicates that you are now equipped with the fire extinguisher and it is ready to use. Now click the left mouse button. That's how you use the equipped tool. Now hurry, find that fire and put it out. Good, you have found the fire. Luckily, it hasn't spread yet, so it's still easy to contain. Press and hold the left mouse button to use your fire extinguisher on the fire until it is put out. Great job! It's time to put the fire extinguisher away and switch back to the hand tool. To switch between tools, you can rotate your mouse wheel or scroll up or down. That will bring up your inventory. This is also called the inventory wheel. You can access any tools you pick up in the world from here. Go ahead, try to bring up your inventory now. Good. When the tool you want to use is in the front, click the left mouse button to equip it. The hand tool allows you to interact with your environment. Turns out that an electrical surge was only half the story. The fire was caused because a spark lit some trash lying on the floor on fire. Bad housekeeping is a hazard and can cause accidents. There is some more trash lying around and a trash container nearby. Using what you've learned, go ahead and dispose of the trash. This time, instead of equipping yourself with a tool, the mouse icon shows you're carrying the trash you found. Keeping the workplace tidy will help prevent accidents. Now, find the trash barrel and throw the trash away. Very good. Notice how you had to have the trash equipped to interact with the trash can? There are two types of objects in the world. Objects that you can use anywhere and at any time, such as the fire extinguisher, and objects that can be used only to interact with another specific object, such as the trash with the trash can. You have completed the tutorial and are ready to move on to the main lesson. If you want to continue exploring the shop area, we have unlocked more tools for you to pick up and use. You can exit at any time by pressing the Escape button and choosing Exit to Menu.